So we wanted a conservatory initially because my wife was newly pregnant and we had a big front garden that we just weren't using. We wanted to use the space indoors and have an area that we would use with our growing family. So we chose conservatory land because they were about 50% cheaper than some of the other quotes we'd got in. With conservatory land, I like the fact you could go on the internet and you could bespoke your design online. Got the quote really quickly and then rang them up and spoke to a salesman who was really helpful. And then when we were ready to pull the trigger, we got an approved installer. They were great on site, yeah, they were really friendly, turned up on time. Conservatory Land's already vetted them, which gives you that reassurance. It was a no-brainer to get their approved installers. It just made the process really easy from start to finish. Yeah, it's lovely being able to open those double doors and walk into this big new space that we've built. We didn't use the front garden that much before, and now we're really making use of that space. It's a space that our child or maybe children in future can grow up in and continue to use. Yeah, it just feels like it's going to be our family room forever. We'd recommend Conservatory Land definitely to other people.